Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the type of numbers for the class 7. So first one is the natural number. Okay. So we represent natural numbers with the letter N. Okay. All the countings number which start from number 1 are called the natural number. So you see here number is starting from 1 and it goes till the infinite. So those are the natural numbers. Whole numbers, all the counting numbers which start from 0, that is also those are called the whole numbers. So this start from 0 and goes up to infinite. So those are the whole numbers. Integer is whole number that can be positive, negative or 0. So those are the integers. So example will be 1 2 3 4, 0, -1, -2, -3, all are the integers. These are positive and negative integers. Okay. Odd numbers, the number which are not multiples of 2. Okay, so those are called the odd numbers. 1 3 5 7 are the example of odd numbers. All multiples of 2 are called the even numbers. Okay, the numbers which are the multiples of 2, like 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So these are the example of even numbers. Okay, so the next one is composite number, the number which has two or more factors. Factor of a number is a exact divisor of that number. So suppose I have 4. So 4 is a composite number, its factors are 1, 2 and 4. So that is the example of composite number. 6 is again a example of composite number. 1, okay, 1 2 3 6, all are the factors of a composite number. So those are called the composite number. Okay, so the number which has two factors, what are those two factors? One is number itself and one is 1. Okay, so there will be two factors for the prime number, 1 and number itself. So suppose example is 2 3 5 7, all are the example of prime numbers. So suppose 2 is the smallest prime number we have. So the 2 is there, so the two factors will be number itself is 2 and 1. So likewise 3 is a another number. So the factors will be 3 and 1. So these are called the prime numbers. So rational number, the number of the form a upon b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. So those are called the rational numbers. Example is 5 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 2 upon 3, minus 3 upon 8, minus 11 upon 8, all are the example of rational numbers. So irrational numbers, what are irrational numbers? The number which cannot be expressed in the form of a upon b and whose decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-recurring. So non-terminating means where remainder will not be 0 ever. Okay, so they will be keep on going like 3.3333 like that. And non-recurring means 3.1438 like that will be a non-recurring. So for the example of irrational number will be like square root this 2. So the value for this one will be 1.41421 like that, and this will be keep on going. Okay, so square root 3 is another example of the value will be like this. And pi is also the value of pi 3.14, that is also example of irrational number. So real numbers, all rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Okay, all rational and irrational numbers are called real number. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Have a good day. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.